speed, cost, security, quality. Challenges put on in-house corporate printing continue to grow. The RICOH Pro C5300s Series is a reliable solution to meet such demands. In addition to its capabilities as a multifunctional printer, the RICOH Pro C5300s Series provides professional printing easily without the need of a dedicated operator. Double-sided printing is supported for paperweights ranging from 52.3 GSM to 360 GSM. Media capability has advanced with the enhanced support of more special medias. Supports maximum of 1,260mm long sheets and special medias like carbonless paper, textured paper, envelopes and more. Explanation on the control panel provides operators with assistance when replacing toner bottles and disposing of waste toner. High print speed can produce up to 80 pages per minute. The auto document feeder allows scanning of 240 A4 pages per minute. RICOH Pro C5300s Series. A powerful and reliable solution to meet the ever-growing needs for the in-house corporate printing environment.